In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event on Facebook. Whether it's for a birthday party, a community gathering, or a business seminar, setting up an event on Facebook is a great way to get the word out and manage your guest list. So, let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with various options. From there, you'll want to click on the Events button. It's usually located among options like Marketplace and Groups. Clicking Events will take you to a page dedicated to all things event-related on Facebook. On the Events page, you'll see a button that says Create New Event. Go ahead and click on this. This button is your gateway to creating a brand new event that you can customize to your liking. Once you've clicked it, you'll be prompted to choose between creating a public event or a private one. A public event can be seen by anyone on or off Facebook, whereas a private event is only visible to those you invite. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Now comes the fun part, setting up your event. This is where you can really get creative and make your event stand out. Start by giving your event a catchy name. This is what people will see first, so make sure it's engaging and informative. Next, you'll need to provide some details, like the date and time. Be as precise as possible to avoid any confusion later on. You'll also want to add a location if your event is happening in a physical place. Facebook uses this information to help your guests find directions easily. If your event is online, you can share a link to a virtual meeting room instead. Don't forget to add a description to let your guests know what to expect. This is your chance to include any special instructions, dress codes, or themes. Finally, you can upload a cover photo that captures the essence of your event. A great image can attract more people, so choose something eye-catching. Once you're happy with all the details, take a moment to review everything. Check for any typos or errors, and make sure all information is correct. When you're satisfied, hit the Create Event button. Congratulations, your event is now live. You can start inviting people by sharing the event link or directly inviting friends through Facebook. Keep an eye on your event page to manage RSVPs and interact with your guests. And there you have it. You've successfully created an event on Facebook. Thanks for watching and enjoy your event planning.